5 o'clock. Facial time. I'm in my bathroom. And I put some pants on. This will be really quick. I gotta wash my face because I had makeup on. So I also wore that today. So I just broke my tripod. Super cool. Really sucks. So quickly, I'll try to speed this up. Reg, this is the cleanser that I use on my face. It's amazing. It's an oil-based cleanser. So I just dip my hands in water. I kind of do like a quick wipe down. 3 to 4 squirts. And then I rub away. This literally takes off makeup. It doesn't burn. It takes off eye makeup, and I actually put a lot of makeup on today. I had I did eyeliner on my whole lid to try to do like a blue jean eyelash look. So you can literally see how good this works. Sorry, the lighting here is just awful. And then I always use a rag to rinse. I might need to do my eyes one more time. I never do my eyeshadow like that, so this is the first. Since this is day 4, I haven't lost track yet, I wanted to mix it up for you. I might need to do my eyes one more time to get that mascara off because I don't want to press too hard. That'll be good enough. I promised I would do this faster and faster every time. The lighting in here is so bad. That is the one thing I hate about this apartment. I'm gonna do one more pump just because my eyes, I can still feel there's a little mascara. I used to use this Murad oil cleanser and they discontinued it. It was the best. But I'll leave a link to this in the description below. It's a super natural, organic, cruelty-free cleanser. I've been using this for, oh my gosh, I've probably been using this for 5 years. I refuse to use makeup wipes because they just go in the garbage. They're not good for the environment, and I've been told that they are not good for your skin. I can't believe I literally just broke my tripod on that thing. So I have my phone on this cool little tripod. I'll leave a link to that in the description below as well. And maybe my cool hairnet that matches my shirt. If you like this tank, you can get it from my shop, badtotheblonde.com. Shout out to Michelle. That was really not planned. Okay. So, face is washed. Kind of let that dry. Good thing I put pants on. Okay. Let's go. So face is freshly washed. I'm back in my spot. It is 5 o'clock. Oh my gosh. So today my face feels so incredibly smooth. The fact that it has transformed into this level of softness in just a couple days is actually pretty cool. This spot is a little dry. I've noticed that it is, hopefully this is showing, that it's kind of, it's not an open wound. I'm trying to get my words, but it's definitely a patch that has broken open. So I noticed in my other video the other day that I was not doing the best job on like this part of my face, which is where my melasma drives me so nuts. So let's get to it. Day 4. Oh, I just love these things so much. All right, let's get to it. Step 1. You should know this by now. Exfoliate and smooth. The dogs just ate dinner, so they are so impatient that I'm doing this right now, and we are not going outside. They can wait until this is done. Self-care. We need to do it every day. I don't know why we don't. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Yoga doesn't count. I don't know if this step is the most important. I'm assuming it is because it's step 1. I also don't know if this spot kind of like broke open like that because I'm rubbing too hard in the same spot. I'm trying to like really pay attention to how I'm equally rubbing. Chest. I promise to get faster at this. When I did my makeup this morning on my Instagram, Bad to the Bride, follow me. You can see this, like the glow. I'm getting my glow on. I've noticed that my makeup is applying smoother. I can feel, I pick at pimples. So these are literally like scars all over my face of pimples that I've had. So I can definitely tell that it has evened out my skin tone and that my pigmentation is getting better. And I'm only 4 days in. I'm like my own hype squad. Can I commit to 31 days? God, I hope. And I'm leaving links in the description below for like the maps. If that pineapple lamp is still for sale, I'll list that too. But otherwise, I need to clean up that side of the couch. But my pillows are listed in the description below. If there's anything that you see that you're like, hey girl, I like what I'm seeing, comment and I can send you a link. I will leave a link to these in the description below as well. Please shop my links so I get a commission. Cups of hands, this is almost dry. I'm really enjoying committing to this. I kind of just, I've been basically eating dinner at like 4 to make sure that I can come on here. I just realized I probably have like food in my teeth. And I think I do. I do. That's cool. Well, I almost just ate this. Okay. This bad boy is pretty much dry. So, and I did a Google search after yesterday's video on the word wetter. According to dictionary.com, it is a word. really all I have to say. All right. That is dry, okay. Step 2, geez, there's a lot of like, thought it was gonna be a smile. Let's let this dry a minute. I opened that up and it kind of like squirted out. I'm trying to show, I'm not very good at this. I don't know if you can really see, but they are wet. Like, there is definitely a lot of product on these wipes. I should have put together a little garbage can to show you at the end of this box how much waste there is, because that is my #1 complaint that I find very frustrating. You would think there would be another way to do this treatment, but I'm not a professional, but this is my honest product review. So, Dr. Dennis Gross, if you are listening, please eliminate this and find another solution for your solution. I just hate, this is why I don't wash my face with wipes, like those face wipes. I've heard it's bad to pull on your skin like this, but maybe it's because of the chemicals that are on those wipes. They cannot be good for us. They cannot be good for our environment. I'm really hoping that you're enjoying this series and that you're maybe interested in trying this for yourself. These are good for anti-aging, evening out your skin tone, and getting clinical results at home. I just dropped it. So far, it's worth it. It's worth it. I just want to hit this hard and do the full 30 days, like to do all these treatments, because I really want to see the results. My roots are growing in so bad. Okay, so wrap this up. Someone's pacing back here. Okay. Hi, Reese's. Hello, bud. You handsome? If I tilt my phone down, it will probably fall off because my phone sits in like the tripod like this, and I totally snapped this off. So that's really cool. Probably because I have the caser on my phone, so I shoved it in there and son of a bee. Right. Get the ends. And this wraps up day number 4. I'm gonna try to stop talking and maybe just show you the difference from day to day. That's a pimple. They are really easy to use, I will say that much. So that wraps up treatment number 4. Oh, I hate these binders. That is today's daily face peel. I feel like I'm getting results. So subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of this and hopefully other things from my life. It's cheap and free entertainment.